All right, happy Saturday. Meteorologist Tony Sadiku in the Fox 13 Weather Center with your tropical update today. And of course, we've been keeping an eye on this tropical feature we've been calling Potential Tropical Cyclone One. If you remember, this same system rolled off the coast of Mexico, watching for it to potentially develop. Had a high chance that it would, but it just did not materialize, as it has had a tough road battling not just upper level wind shear but dry air. When we look at these systems, a lot of the convection on the east side, that tells you got a lot of wind shear with it, and that has been the case. And despite the fact that we found winds near tropical storm strength, the issue with it is we just haven't found a good closed low-level center with this thing. So, as it continues to scoot on towards the east at a pretty good clip, moving northeast at about 18 miles per hour, we'll continue to see it dump copious amounts of rain, and it has produced significant flooding problems for parts of South Florida and towards the Miami coast. There's been reports close to 10 inches of rain, and it's not done. So flooding rain has been the main feature with this system, and we knew there'd be a dividing line, and a lot of it has been pretty much confined to the south. Tampa Bay region has not seen much out of this, and we don't expect much rain as it continues to scoot on towards the east. So there is this system again. It's wrapping in some dry air, which is really causing this thing to not be all that healthy in terms of organization. That's why, while we've been potentially waiting for this thing to develop overnight, it never really materialized to be the case. So what we'll watch over the next couple of hours as it continues, at least the center continues to move across South Florida. It'll take the heavy rain with it by this afternoon. All of the rain beginning to move away from South Florida. On the backside of it, we'll watch more cloudy skies and kind of a little bit of some scattered light showers across the Tampa Bay area, but we'll wind it down late tonight with clear skies potentially by this evening. European model totals pretty in line with all the other models in terms of how much more additional rain we could see. And again, South Florida dealing with the brunt of it. Maybe some more rain to the north, but really the impacts here minimal across our region as all the moisture slug continues to stay confined to the south. That is the only thing we're watching. While right now it maintains a potential tropical cyclone, it's not impossible that once it crosses over into the Atlantic side, it taps into some warmer ocean temperatures and maybe at that point strengthens into a tropical storm. It would be called Alex if that were to occur. We know in the month of June, we're closely watching the Gulf, we're watching the Western Caribbean, we're watching the Western Atlantic for potential development. But once this thing gets on out of our hair, it looks like things should settle down, at least for a while. Of course, we'll keep tabs on things as they potentially change. Quick look at the hurricane season and the snapshot. We're just a couple days in, and we've already had our first tropical feature impacting parts of the state. We kind of can look at this as a test run for us, knowing that we missed out on the bulk of the action, knowing that the action, the intensity, the frequency of these storms only continues to ramp up as we head later and later in the season. August tends to be more active. September, the peak of the season, all the way through October. Of course, we'll keep tabs on the season all season long here at Fox 13. Have a great day.